Utathiaga augaga no nyina oe kuruga wega na nikio tuthiete thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47 utigirira ni twakumathira uria bururi urathie na mbere na kwigariura nduko ya 12 ya mweri wa mugwanja mwaka wa 2023 ni mwihoko wakwa ati muthenya waku ni urathie na mbere na kwagirira gikunyita ugani thiini wa gikunjuro kia mohoro maitu ma thaa ici ritwa riakwa ni Waitherero wa Njoroge no mbere ndaya eke twambe tuthikiririe mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie.
President Raisi and I have just concluded highly productive bilateral discussions on a broad range of very important issues.
Bururi wa Kenya no wandikaniire ngirimiti ithano na bururi wa Iran ari hamwe na kwaraniria uthii wa na mbere utegi uciarithania na kuigithia.
Tungeomba ngombo inatuadhiri kwa sababu sasa tukiangalia ile mambo tunaambiwa tufanye ni ngumu.
Thayo ni uthiete na mbere na kugacirithio mataoni-ini guothe bururi-ini riri kiama kia Azimio la Umoja kigetete guthie na mbere na mirurungano.
Madhumuni kubwa ya sisi kuja ni kutafuta mbinu za ushirikiano baina ya county government ya West Pokot.
Arugamiriri a thukuru wa KMTC unyitaniri na thirikari ya kaunti ya Pokot ya Mohoro ni maugite ni makunyitanira kuhe mweke wa mawira kuri aruto aria mathomagira thukuru-ini uyu. Goririkanie no ukoro ukiaraniria nani kugerera kuria mwena wa YouTube at Muthingi TV, kuria mwena wa Facebook Muthingi TV, kana kuria page-ini yakwa ya Waitherero wa Njoroge. Na tukiambiriria ni ati ene matatu gicigo-ini gia Kawangware tete ni undu wa ikaria thirikari ya kuongerera thogora wa maguta kuma gicunji kia 8 nginya gicunji kia 16 na o ni kurumirira watho uria urarugamirio kana uria arugamiriri ao marutite wa mugomo wa atwarithia a matatu guothe bururi-ini na maugite mugomo uyu nduri uteithio ukumahe kuona ona athii ni marahinyiririka ni uria thogora wa maguta wa batirite undu uria utumite nginya thogora wa tigiti kwa batira.
Majina langu ni Paul Kamau na operate katika eneo la Dagureti. So tungeomba ngombo inatuadhiri kwa sababu sasa tukiangalia ile mambo tunaambiwa tufanye ni ngumu. Kulingana na vile sasa sisi kuko maisha ni ngumu. Sababu tukiangalia kama mafuta ile kazi tunafanya abiria wale tunabeba hawana kitu, so hatuwezi kuwaongezea kitu kwa zile pesa ambazo tuko nazo. Pia sisi tuko na shida kuambiwa kama tuweke kulipa rudi shule, license yako iki-expire, bado hiyo ni shida. Kwa sababu sasa kama mimi na miaka 30 kwa hii barabara na ile shule nilioenda ninaambiwa nirudi nifanye nyingine tena ile ambayo sijui. So hata kama kuna mtu mmoja amekosea, sio madriver wote wamekosea. Na hii sekta inakuanga ngumu kwa sababu ukikuja yako haitasaidia kwa hii sekta. So unafaa ujumisha watu wote kwa sababu wanahangaika kwa mashida mingi. Mimi nikiongezea mwananchi yule nabeba hapa kwa shilingi 30 au 20, nimuongezee nyingine 20 hata pata. So sasa ile shida iko kitu kama hiyo VAT tuondolewe ya kurudi shule. Sisi ni wa Kenya na wale ambao tunaambiwa tuende kwa watu waongezee hawana kitu. Wengine hata tukibeba 20 wanatembea mguu, hata 10 hana, hata mwingine hata anashindwa hata pesa za kukula. So tukiwa sisi kama madriver tunaumia kwa hii mgomo, sababu mwenye gari mwingine hata ni deni amechukua alipe hii gari. So sasa zile tunaenda kuitisha hizo pesa ama hiyo majukumu ma serikali inasema tufanye inakuwa ngumu kwetu na tunashindwa vile tutaendea kwa hawa raia kuambia. So ile kitu tunafaa kuangaliwa ni mafuta, kitu ya kwanza. Kitu ya pili tusirudi shule. Kitu ya tatu kusema hii gari weke kamera. Kamera sio speed governor, hizi gari ziko na speed governor. Na tumetumia pesa mingi, unakuta gari hiyo governor unaweka na 40. Sasa kuambiwa weke kamera hii tena Nairobi sisi hatufanyagi accident. Wale wanafanya ni wale wanaenda. Round services hatuna haja tuambiwe tuweke kamera. Na yule kitu naambia mtu weke hata chakula ya tumbo wenyewe hana. So kumwambia weke vitu kama hizo unamdhulumu. Na ni mtu ule tulisema ni hasara. Sisi ni hasara kwa kweli. Sasa hizi hapa tunasimama hii gari simama kitu 2 hours ndio ibebe shilingi 30 kwenda Kibera. Na kwenda Kibera unarudi bure. So hiyo 400 ukiweka hata 200 ya mafuta unabaki bila. So inatu affect sisi kwa sekta ya matatu. So ile kitu tungeomba serikali. Mkubwa wetu tulimchagua akiwa president wetu wa Kenya. Ile kitu angefaa kujua wale watu ambao wanadili na wote kama ni minister. Mtu asiongee kitu kusema ya kwamba hawa watu ni mzigo wamebeba mzito na imewalemea. So kama ni minister asiongee kitu kusema kamera. Kusema 30,000 ni pesa mingi kwa mtu kama huyu. So ile kitu iko gari zetu ziko na speed governor, ziko na barua. Dereva akivaa ile vitu zinahitaji ako sawa. So kusema kamera hiyo haifai ndugu yangu. Tunaumiza wa Kenya na hawana kitu hata ya kukula. Nikiongezea mwananchi wa kawaida shilingi 20, anashindwa hata 20 anashindwa kulipa gari. So nikimuongezea ingine 10, bado unamwekelea mzigo ingine.
Tugitigana na riboti iyo tugaikihoka ati mateta maya ma atwarithia a matatu na makiria wongerereku wa bei ya maguta thiini wa bururi ni ukorwo ukimurikwo na njira iria yagiriire ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Tugithie na mbere ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto ni anyitite ugeni president wa bururi wa Irani niwe Ibrahim Raisi uria wambikite icera riake gitaro-ini kia Afrika na ambiririe na bururi wa Kenya kugwataniro gatagati ka mabũrũri maya mothe ikioneka gukorwo ikiambiriria undu uria Kenya bururi makorwo makinyitanira thiini wa thoko ya maciaro ma urimi hamwe na mathomo ma technology kuona Iran ni bururi uria uhigireire muno thiini wa sekta ino. Kuringana na mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto, Kenya ni andikaniire na Iran ati macani ma makiria ma bilioni 4 mwaka uyu makorwo makiendio thiini wa bururi uyu ari ni kuongerera kuma hari mwaka muhetuku na maita matanyihiire manana.
And today, what we want for development and relation, what we want for the relation and development relation between two countries and two governments is absolutely, we don't see any barriers to development of relation between two countries and two nations, and believe that there are no insurmountable barriers for development and expansion of our relations. And I'm sure this could be a right groundwork for expansion in other different fields.
Stronger collaboration with Iran is important for us in delivering agricultural value chain of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. It is also encouraging to note that trade volumes between our two countries have been on a steady upward trajectory. Kenya exported tea worth $28.4 million US, about 4 billion shillings, to Tehran in the first quarter of this year. Kenya is also highly encouraged by the great interest shown by Iran in promoting technological and entrepreneurial innovation among Kenyan youth by promoting incubation of Kenya's startups and creative industry through the Iran House Innovation and Technology Center. This is an outstanding intervention that is innovative and directly aligned with our national aspiration towards creating a digital superhighway and a robust digital economy as primary pillars of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. His Excellency President Raisi conveyed to me information that will be good news for stakeholders in our mechanical and automotive sector, including dealers, engineers, technicians, and other workers. Iran's intention to set up a motor vehicle assembly plant in Mombasa to manufacture an indigenous Iranian vehicle that has now been given the Kiswahili name Kifaru.
Tugitigana na icio tugakihoka ati kunyitanira gwa bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa Iran ni gukorwo gukirehe umithio makiria kuri arimi. Tugithie na mbere ni ati borithi kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni maikitie ngono ekwirwo atandatu aria marakuruhanirio na wikinae icigo-inĩ ngũrani arĩ hamwe na Bondamari. Na ũũ nĩ thutha wa maobitha aya gũtabania mũngũrũrio wa kũng'ethanĩra na riboti cia ũici kuma kũrĩ aikari a mwena ũyũ na mahithũkĩtie thimũ na tũhiũ andũ 6 arĩa merĩgĩrĩirio gũkinyio igoti-inĩ rĩa Naikuru mũthenya wa rũciũ.
Police Commander Nakuru County. So today we had an operation targeting mostly the illegal gangs. We had an operation on areas of Pondamali, that is in those areas of adjacent to Kaptembwa in Nakuru West. In Nakuru East, we also had an operation toward the Lakeview areas, where we managed to arrest in total 12 suspects who, in connection to the famous illegal gang, the confirmed gang. So six are held in Kaptembwa police stations. 6 are held here in Nakuru police station, the famous central police stations. We managed also to get them to get items like the mobile phones, close to 12 of them, knives, dangerous weapons, including knives, and the other assault weapons. So they will be appearing in court tomorrow with the various charges, including preparation to commit a felony. The operation continues, and even now, very many officers are on the ground. We really want to crack on the confirmed gang, and the other that might be forming. Because the target is just to make Nakuru County safe and secure for all citizens within the county, and especially the CBD. So we'll continue with the operations, including even the illicit brew, the second generation, all those we put them. So we'll sustain the operation going forward, so that at least we make Nakuru County generally, and more specifically Nakuru Town, Nakuru City, to be a place that where anybody can come and invest, do his or her business in a very free atmosphere, free from any kind of crime. So this one continues, and my appeal is just to the members of the public that they continue to support us, giving us information, because without them, make any step. But we also want to thank them, because it is through the effort and the intel that we have been able to nab the 12 suspects. Operation continues even this night, and even very many days.
Tugitigana na icio cia mũngũrũrio kuma kũrĩ kaunti ya Naikuru nĩ atĩ arutwo a cukuru wa mathomo ma ũrigitani nĩguo KMTC mwena wa Pokot ya ithũĩro mabacĩrĩirwo wega rĩu na mĩeke ya mawĩra kuma kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti ĩno wona marĩkia mathomo mao, ũndũ ũrĩa ũkinyanĩirio nĩ ũtongoria wa cukuru ũyũ gwĩkanĩrĩra ngirimiti na thirikari ya kaunti ĩno ya Pokot.
Madhumuni kubwa ya sisi kuja ni kutafuta mbinu za ushirikiano baina ya county government ya West Pokot na Kenya Medical Training College kwa ujumla, hasa kwa madhumuni ya kukuza campus hii ya Kapenguri, kwa sababu tukishirikiana vizuri tunaweza kuiendeleza pakubwa.
We are going to partner well. We are going to improve our KMTC Kapenguria campus. We've seen that it is the second largest in Kenya, because we have like 1,200 students among the best, among the highly populated. So there are issues of classrooms, there are issues of teaching staff, lecturers. There are so many issues that they were discussed, and the CEO has assured the county government, and to be very specifically to His Excellency, the Governor of West Pokot, that they are going to improve, they are going to work together, and an issue of employment, and even students, and even increasing more courses in West Pokot County.
tugacokeria thirikari ya kuma kuria mwena wa Pokot ya ithwiro ngatho nundu wa gukorwo makirora arutwo aya a thukuru wa KMTC na njira iria yagiriire. Tugithie na mbere ni ati murugamiriri munene wa komishona ya arimu kaunti ya Pokot ya ithwiro niwe Jane Nyakoe augite wagi wa arimu uracugirwo ni ateti amwe a kaunti ino na akiaria na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Kepenguria ni uritie atongoria a mwena uyu maranirie itemini ria kwagirithia githomo-ini giki.
That has created a great shortage of teachers in the remote areas of West Pokot. And in a situation where the locals are coming and they don't want to go to those local places. Either they have migrated from the local place and they don't want to go there, and sometimes because of what our leaders stand for. It has been a challenge staffing those local areas, and therefore we urge the leaders to support us when it comes to placement of teachers, especially those local teachers who are coming on transfer. Let's support so that they end up going to those places where we don't have teachers. That is what I want to appeal. And if we do that, then it means every learner in the county will get services of the teachers who are in service. We do fair distribution. We encourage that every school gets enough teachers, not really concentrating them or requesting to have them in one place and leaving the other teachers, the other schools without.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua ni maraheanire taito kuri aigithia makiria ma 2,000 a Embakasi Ranching Company muthe wa ira mwena wa Ruai kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, na kuria Ruto araugire taito ici ni ikumateithiriria kuoya malon niguo kwagirithia biashara ciao.
Ameishi kwa plot for more than 35 years, lakini mwenye anapewa title ni mtu mwingine.
Hao watu wa Embakasi wameumia siku mingi, na tuna hakika vile sisi tunakujua, tunakuelewa. Wewe ndio utakuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya ambaye atatatua maneno ya Embakasi Ranching once and for all. Na rais, hawa wananchi wa hapa ni watu wako na bidii, ile tu wanataka ni wapewe haki yao, aweke nyumbani, atumie kukopa pesa, wafanye biashara.
Serikali tunasema kazi yetu ni kuhakikisha kila mwananchi anapimiwa ardhi yake, anapatiwa hati miliki, ndio kusitokee shida ya makao ya wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Na ndio nimefika hapa leo kwa sababu mnajua hii shughuli tulianza hapo nyuma. Kufikia sasa tumetoa title deeds 16,000 in the last almost 8 years. So mimi nataka niwaambie hawa wangwana, sisi tunawajua na tunajua mbinu zenu, na itaanguka vile ilianguka mbeleni na vile inaangukanga kila siku. So msipoteze wakati. Mpango ya kuhakikisha kwamba kuna ajira kwa vijana wa taifa letu la Kenya itaendelea mbele. Kama mtakosa watu ya kufanya maandamano na kutupa mawe, shauri yenu. Taki vijana wa Kenya wapate ajira. Na mimi ninawaambia, mimi niko na nyinyi, bumper to bumper, kwa sababu hamuwezi. You cannot disenfranchise the children of Kenya, the young people of Kenya. They deserve the jobs that we are looking for.
Mimi nitamalizia na kusema ya kwa wale contractor wamepewa kazi ya naomba hata ukisema tupatiwe milioni 700.
Na ripoti hiyo igimaine na uheani wa title deed cia mugoda kuria mwena wa Ruai gukuni kaunti ya Nairobi niyo igukorwo ikihe kahinda ga gukorwo ngirikiria ndugakorwo ugithie haraya, na ndiracokereria tuthie na mbere na kuona uria bururi witu rathi na mbere na kwigariura.
mithako marefeta nyimbo cia unduire tucunjĩ twa bibilia nyitanagira nanie MC Hype Jemo o juma kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 nginya 3 cia kĩroko tugathoma tugakena na tugacanjamũka.
Hihi nioe nere maretwa ta your honor, acquittal, accused, conviction mahuthikaga. Nioe makinya magukinyukia niguo wone kihoto giaku kana kia mwana waku.
Kihoya kihoto kioneke.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya watho kĩgeri-inĩ tugakuhe kahinda ga kũria kĩũria na gũtuhe woni waku.
Uguo ni ona mangĩũka no ndĩmatemange ona thirikari ĩingĩrĩre.
Nyitanagira nanie your lady Waitherero wa Njoroge thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya watho kĩgeri-inĩ tuthome na tuhige hamwe ici ciĩgiĩ watho oro ũndũ ũmwe na kĩhoto gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV arĩkĩo kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Ngefidine muremi muramati. Kipindi gĩkĩ kĩrĩkoragwo gĩgũkara mithi kana wakana thaa 8. Ugakoragwo na niĩ nĩguo kũbundithia maingĩ. Ũhoro wa ũrĩmi wa irio uri okuiga ng'ombe na ngũkũ na nyamũ ciaku wega uri okuhota kunyitanithia technology niguo wote kuona indo igũgũteithia uthie na mbere na ũrĩmi ukurehere mbeca tugie na mwago twikenere tugithomaga na mũndũ gũtũma Njoroge gatundu nĩ ũndũ gĩbindi kĩretwo kĩ mũrĩmi muramati. Nitwakorwo tugicokereria oro ringi mwiroreri wa Mũthingi TV agikorwo ni hingũrĩra karavisheni gaku weigwe we mucii kuria mwena wa Facebook ni @Mũthingi TV kuria page ni yakwa ya Waitherero wa Njoroge kana kuria mwena wa YouTube @Mũthingi TV na tugithie na mbere ni ati governor wa Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni amukirite kana ni amurite uteithio wa shilingi milioni 65 kuma kwĩ rũhonge rwa National Drought Management Authority uduria augite ni ukuhura njeki mubango wake wa kuongerera magetha ma irio thiini wa county ino na oho wa Vinyandeti ni augite waki wa demu ya Miwongoni na Kiai mwena wa sub county ni ukonina wagi wa mai thiini wa town ino ya Machakos.
This press briefing is to preside over handing over of those 6 projects to contractors who won specific contracts so that they can undertake the works which will be done. Total, IFAD and our government are going to be investing 65 million in those projects. It's a good investment. And apart from those water projects, we have an intention which we have already started with the Department of Water and Agriculture to do additional 108 farm ponds to enable small-scale farmers harvest water at household level and be able to use it.
Hizi project umepatiwa, they are 65 million. 65 million. Na mnajua mimi sijashika hata budget ya wapi? Ya Machakos. Tunaelewana? 65 ninaanza hata sijashika. Tunaelewana? Na nimepatiwa boreholes za 65 million. Na mnajua we have had, so tumekuwa na partners wengi. Tena nimepatiwa 108 farm ponds. Hizo tutazitengeneza kwa watu nyumbani. Tunaelewana? Huko kwa watu mashinani, in the dry areas, tufanye kwao, kwa mashamba yao, ndio mvua ikija wakue na maji. County government and also dams, and I know there are other dams. Here in Machakos tomorrow, there are 2 dams that I had issues with, Katelembo and Kadekakai. That has been resolved. Now, here I'm going to have 2 dams. If I add those 2 dams, there's Chai Dam and there's Miwongoni Dam. In Machakos, I will not have issues of water. Yeah, I will even be able to take water to other areas, not just Machakos alone.
Whereby Mr. Justin.
Tukitigana na icio cigemaine na tabarĩra ya maĩ kũrĩa kaunti ya Machakos nĩ atĩ Lea Wanjan nĩ mũtumia gatagatĩ ka aingĩ arĩa merutagĩra harĩ kũheana ũteithio kũrĩ atumia arĩa matarĩ na ũhoti wa kũgĩa ciana na njĩra ya kũmakuĩra nda, na nĩ aratarĩria ũrĩa akoretwo akĩrutĩra gũkuĩra nda mwarĩ wa ithe mũnini na ũrĩa ũtarĩ na ũhoti wa kũgĩa ciana, ta ũrĩa Mũmbi wa Mũnyĩrĩ arakorwo agĩtũtarĩria thĩinĩ wa riboti itũ ya mwanya ya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ.
Lea Wanjan nĩ mũtumia wa mĩaka 30 na ũrĩa nĩ mũnene wa kambuni ya ũthondeki wa nguo ĩrĩa athondekire mĩaka 4 mĩhĩtũku. Mwaka-inĩ wa 2021, Wanjan nĩ agĩire na gĩathĩ na mwarĩ wa ithe ũrĩa wokĩte na mũthuri wake. Andũ aya nĩ mamũririe kĩũria hihi kĩngĩarĩ na ũritũ harĩ Wanja gũcokia. Andũ aya erĩ makĩũria Wanja kana nĩ egwĩtĩkĩra kũmaciarĩra mwana nĩ tondũ mwarĩ wa ithe ndarĩ na ũhoti wa kũgĩa mwana. Kumana na kĩũria gĩkĩ, Wanja agĩtukanĩrwo na akĩmahoya mamũhe kahinda ka mĩaka 2 ecirie ũhoro ũyũ.
My name is Lea Wanjan, born and raised in Nakuru. I'm 30 years old and I do design by profession. I got inspired by a family friend who didn't get a kid. Me, I'm a mother. I have a 9-year-old son, and it was a very close family friend, and she was very desperate, getting to age day by day, years passed on, and she to almost 40 years old and above, and she didn't get a kid. But now by the time she was requesting us as a family, so she came to our family like family friend because I'd just given birth and she wanted my baby. She came and talked to my mom because me, I was young. I gave birth at 21 years. And when I gave birth, of course, I was still a young girl. I left my baby with my mom. And when I was in Nairobi hustling, my mom gave me that weird call and told me, mtoto ako sawa lakini naweza taka upatane na mtu muongee.
Leo Wanjan nĩ ahete andũ aya mwĩhoko na njĩra ya kũmerĩra kũmaciarĩra mwana na kũingĩra gĩkundi-inĩ kĩa atumia arĩa merutagĩra kũgĩra aru nao arĩa matarĩ na ũhoti wa kũgĩa ciana. Atumia ta Wanjan marĩhagia ciringi milioni 2 o rita rĩa kũgĩa mwana.
I'm really concerned about women in the society, more especially mwanamke mwenye hawezi kupata mtoto. Because for us, it's very easy unaweza pata tu mtoto anytime, and there's someone else out there who is struggling, and we wouldn't want to be like ati mtu anazeeka na hana mtoto. So me, I'm really concerned, especially for the women who don't have kids out here, and they really want to have their own kids. I'm really concerned. I wouldn't mind helping.
Ndagĩtarĩ wa mĩrimũ ya atumia thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Nectar kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru, ndagĩtarĩ Anondi nĩ atarĩirie mũtaratara ũyũ wa ũkuanĩri wa nda wambagĩrĩria na kũrutwo kwa itumbĩ rĩa ũciari kuma kwĩ mũtumia ũyũ ũrĩa ũtarĩ na ũhoti wa gũkua nda, rĩgatwarwo thĩinĩ wa ceceni ya gĩthimĩro nĩyo rabu, rĩgaciarithanio na mbegũ ya mũthuri wake na mũico embryo ĩkahagĩkwo thĩinĩ wa nda ya ũrĩa ũramakuĩra mwana.
What we do is we take a mature egg out of the body through a process, and we also get a mature sperm out of the man, and then mix them. The embryo starts developing further developing embryo into the uterus so that it develops. So therefore, those who are eligible for IVF basically are those people with issues with their tubes. The tubes are blocked.
Wakiri Dorcas Nyambura nugite hende ya gutwithania cira ta uyu magoti-ini ni kugiaga na ngucanio gatagatĩ ka mĩena ĩno ĩrĩ nĩ no kwandĩkithio rĩ mũciari wa mwana na ũguo akahe thirikari ĩkĩra ĩno.
So it has been and then when you go to enforce a contract in court, largely very unregulated, very unfair for the commission and parents.
Ndimo ya uciari kaunti ya Nakuru na kita watho ubatie gutariria okwaria ni ubatie gukorwo ni wa kwirutira ta mundu kiumbe no ti biashara mukorwo na mwana matikanikwo king'ang'a-ini.
So I believe that it's good that in such circumstances, as long as people are willing, as long as it's consensual, people give their consent, people agree, and they are willing to sign as per the legalities of having it done. For me, I think it's something that we can still appreciate.
Naine wake muthikabu wa gathoreki ya Holy Ghost Spirit mwena wa Girigiri Clement Karathi ni okireire mweratara uyu na kiria arauga ni wagarari wa ihoto cia ciana na ti mwandike thiini wa buku theru. Uge uyu ni unyitetwo mbaru ni Sheikh wa muthigiti wa Imam Gibe Abdul kuria augite o ni mugaro na witikio wa Gĩithĩramu.
It is immoral. It is a sin. For the same reasons which led one to reject heterosexual artificial fertilization. It is contrary to the unity of marriage.
Surrogacy inakata.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV Omobi wa Munya.
Na riboti ya mwanya kuma kuri mundu witwo Mobi niyo yukorwo igitutirihira mohoro maitu ma thaa ici ngatho cia mwanya mundu witwo wa Munyiri ni ndo gutuhaririria riboti iyo mbere yandikiririe ndenda gukorwo ngigeithia andu aigana na kuma guku mwena wa Facebook. Mundu gwitwo Beth, thank you so much. Wikure mwena wa Kambare. Mundu gwitwo Martin Maina Nuthu, thank you so much. Mundu gwitwo Wandia Mwangi. Mundu gwitwo Vanis Nyambura. Mundu gwitwo Shaibu SNR. Mundu gwitwo Alexis. Mundu gwitwo MC Maua Jerry Nariothe makoro magitiga ndo cia mwanya kore mwena wa Facebook. Ngatho mwanya kuri nywe mwakoro mukinyitanira na ngatho cia mwanya kuri ariothe makoro makiruta wira munene gerera mohoro maya makoro maikukira na njira iri yagiriire muthenya wa umuthi ndiraigua ugitwo maandamano Wednesday na uguo wona waikara kuri mwena wa page ito ya YouTube @Muthingi TV kuri mwena wa page ito ya Facebook @Muthingi TV niturathi na mbere na ukorwo twikumenyithia uria county ngurani icirathie na mbere kamirurungano ino ya Azimio kana no irathie na mbere thiini wa county ngurani. Ndaruthiriria ndrona hena mirurungano kuri mwena wa Nyeri kuri mwena wa Eldoret orondo mwena wa kumena wa Nairobi na nituguthie na mbere na kutwiko update wetha wikare ukimenyana uria bururi urathie na mbere na kuigaria uranie gakwendithiria mahinda mega ritwa ri Waitherero wa Njoroge.
Nitutete mawoni maku na nikio no twende kuigua mateta na mendekithia maku iguru ria tafarira citu. Araniria na ithuĩ kugerera namba ya WhatsApp ni 0776 844 244